I shall record this a little bit because it's Friday afternoon. I'm going to have to go quickly through this. So here in this first, Giles charges a customer for a bow hire. It's known like this, where P is the cost per hour in Norwegian krone. That is the customer is charged, and T is the time. The cost per hour has a local minimum when the boat is hired for H hours. Find the value of H. So to find a minimum or maximum point, we want to find when the derivative is equal to 0. So that means we need 20 minus 980 over t squared to equal 0, which will have the solution. Let's pull up our graphing calculator on that one. Menu, I'm going to do this. Algebra, n solve. We've got 20 minus fraction 980 divided by t squared is equal to 0, comma t. So solve for t.
7.
Get 7. Sorry, my calculator is on scientific mode from last night. Take that one off. There, 7. So this gives us t is equal to 7. Is there another solution? There might be a negative solution on that one as well. Yeah, it's going to be negative.
What was that?
We don't use the negative answer. But I was considering, is there another answer? So for instance, is there another positive answer? I would do this, and I would enter comma 7, comma 100 or something like that. And I got 7, so pull that one up, sorry. Comma 7.1. No more solutions. I'm good to go. Sorry, I'm just going to run through it. We want to finish. So we find the value of H. So T is equal to 7, which is plus and minus 7 for T. So that implies that H is the positive value, 7. Sandra hires Giles' boat for 5 hours and was charged $9.28 per hour. Yvonne hires the boat for 7 hours. Show that the cost for Yvonne is going to be 312.
Find it. You do the integral.
You differentiate, use the first set to find C.
Giles customers per hour. This is so P is the cost per hour. Right. So we have the rate at which the cost is changing. We have the marginal cost, although it's called P. So this is A. So for B, we need to first find P, which is the integral of 20 minus. I'm just going to convert this into index form as I write it down. X squared dx. I've switched it into x instead of t. Sorry, I wouldn't normally do that. We have to integrate this. We get 20x and 980 divided by 3. Do that on my calculator.
So if you just cancel out the x's though.
Okay, that's not great. 980 over 3.
I don't think you cancel out the x's.
Wouldn't that be minus?
It becomes 980 over x.
So this becomes
The 1.
Yeah. 980.
minus 980 over
X to the over X.
no wait I've messed up, sorry.
That's a mystery.
Okay, this is correct.
Okay, then you put in the points.
Then we put in our points.
P of 3.
We have top we have 5,328 as a point. So we put this in, we get 328 is equal to 20, bracket 5, close bracket, plus 980.
But sir, it's
Divided
7
by-
hours.
No, that's what we're trying to find. To find C, we have to use the ones with 2 groups.
Oh, okay, said it wrong.
So I need my calculator for this one. I've got 328 minus 20 times 5, which is 100, minus 980 over, is that 5? What the hell have I written?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 'cause 5 is the new value, isn't it? This gives us C is equal to 32. C is equal to 32. So we need P of T is equal to 20T plus 980 over T plus 32. And into this, we need to find what is P of 7. So on our calculator, we will do that now. We need 20 times 7 plus 980 divided by 7 plus 32. I get 32. That seems well off.
So what if we just skip this and then just give us all the answers?
140, 20 times 7, 40. All right, so 32. Weird. 32.
So can you post this on the
Let's try the next one. So we have this function here. Sorry, I've got it on my PDF, haven't I? So we have this function which is defined by this one. We need to find the derivative first. So for a, we get f dash of x is equal to, I'm going to need to draw an index form first. A is equal to f of x is equal to 2x to the minus 1 plus 3x squared minus 3. So f prime of x is equal to minus 2x to the minus 2 plus 6x. So I'm going to write that as 6x minus 2 over x squared. That's the first one. Find the equation of the normal to the curve f of x at 1, 2. Right. So first off, I need to find the slope of the tangent. So the slope of the tangent
I've found 1.
is going to be f dash of 1. I put 1 in here, I get 6 minus 2, so 4, which implies that the slope of the perpendicular is minus a quarter. I can put this into point slope form. I've got 2 is equal to minus a quarter, bracket y, minus 2 is equal to minus a quarter, x minus 1. I would multiply through by that 4 to begin with, to move it over here, and I get 4y minus 8 is equal to minus x plus 1. Finally, rearranging to the given form, I get x plus 4y, and I'm subtracting minus 1, so I get minus 9, and then I'm done.
I'm gonna run that.
Sir.
Sorry, I was ignoring. Hold on.